I'm gonna get something to eat now. My eye feeling much better, and I'm gonna try to get something to eat. For those of you who called me for a bleaching cream, just remember that I'm no longer on WhatsApp anymore. So if you decide to get any cream from me, you're gonna have to call me direct because I'm deleting most of my apps that I have on my phone, like my WhatsApp. I delete that and all of that. Yeah. Yeah, so if you're trying to reach me, that's what's going to happen. I don't know who these people want to tag me as soon as I come on. Come on. As soon as I come on, I don't even know who you want me to tag you on. Come on, don't do that. I don't know who you are. I'm not going to do that. I don't know who this is. As I come on, can you give me a chance to even come on? Before anybody come on, you first want to be tagged on the line. Come on, don't do that. I don't even know who you is. Well, guys, that's how my eyes look now. That's how it look now, but I don't think I'm going to go back to the doctor again. I'm away from looking about my style because I mean, nobody damage up my eye and dig up my eye. So I mean, I really want to go for make things worse. I thought about it after I watched the video so much time on my phone with the man of balls and then send him blind. But I don't want to post the video and get in no trouble for posting anything concerning the law. You don't want to do that. You know, you can get killed for shit like that and get involved in government shit by exposing certain shit. Certain shit you got to leave alone. You can't post it. You will get your life snuffed out of your ass. You see, certain things people don't know. When you're doing live and you're a popular person, everybody know where you live. Everything you touch and everything you do in your phone, they know. So, I mean, you know, even though the guy was in hospital, nothing to do with the hospital, but what he's saying, and I don't want, he go say something that which is not true, that they messed up his eye, and they really did mess up his eyes, and I run with that and post it, and it went viral all over the world, because you're getting on real nasty, blah, 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 blah. The only thing I could do with something like that is show a friend, but I can't really post it. Because after I get on so much, he started speaking his voodoo language, and the lady put in some spell on her. And I had to catch it, but then I think about it over and over for a post. I say, Olivet, you know, you begin this thing and you know how the system run. You don't need to do that because if the guy is lying, you know what I mean, and you post something like that, it's like, you know, you're agreeing with him and you don't know if it's true or not. You don't know how his eyes was when he came to the doctor. You don't know what goes on, but stay out of it and keep your eyes to yourself. You know, so that's how it is. In a couple of days, you'll be better and I can do my makeup and shit, you know. You'll be better soon. I'm not going to run nobody down for no money and all that shit for suing nobody up and down behind nobody. I don't, you know, because I know my skin was sensitive, but the woman did wrong. But she got to have to pay the bill. So as soon as I get the bill, I just bring it to them and let them pay the bill and over with this. I'm not trying to run behind nobody. I'm not trying to rob nobody or anything. It was wrong what she did, but you're going to have to pay the bill because I believe in God. And, you know, I wouldn't want somebody to sue me for some bullshit, you know what I mean? And I feel as if, you know, she did wrong and she aided me, but that's enough to pay the bill because the bill is going to be very high, like $4,000 or $5,000. The bill is going to be high enough for the government. When they send the bill, I take it to them. I don't need to go and sue you up on top of that because I'm hungry and people going to talk all kind of shit and they're going to lie. And I do not need to be involved. I got to pay attention to my talent, my music and things I got to do. So what I'll do is just take the bills to them to be clear and to be honest. All right? So that's what I'm planning to do. When I get the bill, I take it to them and let them cover the bill. That's it. I will not go back up in there or anything like that. A lesson learned and nobody go anywhere and wax your eyes. It's very dangerous to wax your eye. The doctor told me that. He said, whether you're creaming your skin or not, it's dangerous to wax your eye because you can pick up infection whether you're creaming your skin or not. Because when they rip the ear out of your skin open, bacteria and germs could go in. So that's why you should do threading, he said. Go to the place that you use thread and shred your eyebrow. So I'm going to leave it at that because I do not want to go and mess up my eye. Like I told you, I've been taking these pills and I really want to stop taking them. So I don't want to go and get more medication because I do not want to take them because for the last time since I've been taking this pill, it hasn't been easy for me in the bed. I mean, I'm crippling up. You know, my legs, it's hard to stiff up my legs. I'm lying in my sleep and my legs cramp up. And I try to move them. If I come off of the bed and I can't stand on my two leg. And then they're hard and I'm trying to stretch them out. I'm trying to exercise all for an hour, half an hour, 2 hours before I can go back to bed out of my sleep. I try to work out because the pain from the pill them is too much because my body not used to these kind of drugs. So because of that, you know, everything is a side effect, you know. So I don't want to go and get more drugs and more stuff in my body because, you know, I'm not about this thing. You know, I'm not about that. Like one nurse told me, non-medication is the best medication. because she want to tell me this and tell me that and for do this and that and all kind of stuff. I'm saying, miss, no, because you know it's not good for you, ma'am. You know that when you're working here. All this stuff is, and she said, you're right. None is better than us. I say, I know. So what you're telling me? I know. So I do not want to put all this stuff in my body because, a job is a job and you're working there and all this thing. And it do help people. When you get infection, it does help you. But I don't want to, after the infection going down, and stuff, I don't want to continue. I want to fix this tie in my eye. But like he said, we wouldn't do surgery in your eye. We just give you an antibiotic to put inside the eye. And that will melt it. And after a while, it's going to come right down. It'll squeeze and it's going to pop. So I tell him I've been struggling with for a while. It go down and it come back up. He said, because you need to put hot water every single day. But now you cannot because of your eye. You have to wait till it heal. And if it doesn't, come back to me and I'll give you something. So basically, most of you will get an ointment for inside of my eye. But I'm not going to go to no courthouse and no lie up and down. Spend my precious time when I think about my funny videos to make people happy. And it's pushing time and that. I'm not greedy for money. I believe in God. And money can't, I believe in God. And this earth, when you die, you can't take nothing with you. It's just that you was wrong and they have to pay the bill. And that's all to it. So right now, me get up and I'm hungry. Remember, you guys, if you're going to buy cream from me, I have lots and lots of cream here. Don't follow bad mind people and people hate me. I'm telling you, if I could tell you how much people hate me, you wouldn't believe me, and people that I don't do nothing to, people that I was nice to. I have people that I know from Utica Avenue that come and buy cream. I give them cream for $20 and $25. Whole sitting at cream, who you making no money? You understand? Trying to do well. And you have some of these customers who come here. And I have this one lady, she come here and she buy cream. She come and she didn't have enough money. Me get a big jar of cream for $40. And the soap free. You understand? An $80 jar, soap free. Me do everything I can do. And she'd call back and said she need a cream. And she never come pick it up and she never call me back. But then she call me 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning after so much a month, she don't come pick up the cream and you never call me. You call me 6 o'clock a morning if you come pick up $10. So what me tell her no. So when the woman called me from the number, I realized, what is this number? It's a group calling me. So even yesterday again, she go back and she called me again yesterday. And she said, some people say your number is in a group. She don't understand. I said, ma'am, yes, it is. And she called me, go check again. It's in a group. And all these people is calling me from the group to order cream from me what they don't want. They order pum pum tighten from me. One girl, she called one dirty orange slut woman, called me and say, Olivette, me come by Utica Avenue and look for you, And somebody tell me, say, you're rich, over here again. Me say, me not rich, baby. Me not rich. I'm hungry. I want money in the ass. What me they rich? And you over there, so and you move now. You never hear about my friend it want some pum pum tight now. To make her pum pum tight. And me hear she talk like that. I mean, I fucking harass she call for harass me. From me hear she talk like that. But Olivette, like say, so me Olivette, me no, everybody knows so many Olivette on Facebook. So you can't come fucking call my name. I can't go like me, your friend and like me know you. Me say, lady, I don't know you. Ma'am, I do not know you, ma'am. Olivette and me, and me say, lady, me don't know why everybody knows so many Olivette. Me don't know who you are, and me don't have no pum pum tight nice laugh. I don't know who you are. Then call me night, then call me dear, then call me midnight, then call me and harass me to the point is, if me never have no business, me just lock off the phone and I plan to change my number. And only when somebody really wants something, they're going to get my number. Otherwise, my number is not going to be out there on the internet no more. People is not going to afford to call me like they want no more because I'm shutting down on everything. So I decided to get up and deleted my WhatsApp, block everybody on the WhatsApp and deleted it. All the ones who love me, I don't mean to do that to you, but because of the stacking is going on, and I don't know, all this group of people grouping up and stacking me for no reason, I had to delete my WhatsApp. I had to get rid of it. So if you want to get me something, buy something, you have to call me straight and purchase what you want and go your way. I am not here for the mix up and gossip. People saving your number on their phone, add it to WhatsApp, and they're not buying anything. They don't know you like that. Your name is not personal friend. Some of them, your name never even exchange word. But they put the number in them phone, and then they start to text this wholpa blood clot bullshit to your phone, sending this wholpa sitting to your phone like them haunted. Every minute. And then get to realize it's dangerous. So all you women who got vagina, I want to tell you one thing. If you got a phone in your house that got WhatsApp on it, honey, you make sure that phone is not out or your iPad. Right now in my iPad, I'm going to have people names to iCloud and shit in my iPad. Imagine that, using my iPad. I didn't want to say the name because I got to get all this shit up my iPad. But if I never let people help me to set up my iPad, that would have never fucking happened. Because I didn't know no better and I got a new iPad, I didn't know what. You know what I mean? They set up the shit for themselves and putting them Apple ID and everything. So whenever I want to make come here, And me come and she say, well, apply ID. I don't know what apply ID is. Because they're supposed to give me that. When they me set up here and all them thing there. But them take you off for them fucking self. I see how people wicked when you dance. People wicked when they dance, dread. People wicked when they don't know nothing about technology. I'm telling you. Wicked. You understand me? So all these people know that's about elevate this and elevate. Some of them is fucking evil and demons. And they not like nobody. They not like nobody but them damn self. Me know my mustache want shave and all that. But me not have time this morning. Me go look food for eat. You understand the food? Me go look for eat. And me forgot cook. I said to myself, I may eat some of the curry fish there for yesterday, and yesterday it was good. You know? But I don't be eating a lot like I used to no more. So I make sure I eat food. So I go at the chicken place and make them kill on them fresh chicken so I can curry a pot of that and cook some more. I have some more wild rice, I have brown rice, and I have all kind of sitting out there. I cook some more wild rice. And curry one chicken so I can sit down and food my gut. You understand? I don't have no time for bad mind people. I try to do right by everybody. I could have run and get lie and give people a hell and make them shit on them place. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not going to do that. Let them pay the bill and continue with their business because God is God. You know what I mean? God is God. I don't want nobody shut down my thing and all them things. Maybe he's an honest person, a good person. And many people can't see that show me, but God can see it show me. And it's only the good you do that the good can follow you. They pay the bill and move on in their life. You understand? Pay the bill when it comes, so I have to pay it and that's it. I pray to God I'll be more careful and I'm not doing that more. I shave my own eyebrow from now on and do my own nails. It's simple. It's just simple. You know what I mean? I don't need to be doing this and that and people out to kill me and all kind of sitting for sitting. I don't need to go through all of that because money at the end of the day when you're dead you can't carry with you. You have to leave everything behind you when you're dead. And if you know, sometimes even people fuck you up and you're traveling right and they still try to kill you. A lot of wicked people out here. Left everything to God and do the best you can. Deal with people the best way you can. Let them see that you're quite different from others. Let them see that you don't have the same art that some other people have. Make them see the art what them have and the art what you have. Because let me tell you, nobody lasts on this earth forever. A lot of people been stalking me on here also, and I know it's a woman that used to live in here. There's so much people I had to block on the sheet from all this profile. And saying that when I walk outside, and if you all see all the threat coming on the live, how they gonna bam bam and shot me one time and me done. Bam bam, you're done. Click, 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 clack, clack, bam, bam, you're done and all this shit threatening me. But I don't define me. I'm not afraid to walk outside. I walk outside anywhere, anytime. I want to know so no matter how much threat you give me, I am not afraid. Look at all my fans when I run into the road. Somebody may talk about you, mad woman becoming a field for dress up. Enough clothes me have. See all this sitting my wear and put on away again. Enough people don't see that a chicken me I go buy. A chicken me I go buy. Me no fussy. Me no fussy about this and that. I say watch where this is. Cause me no feel like me no gonna just put anything. Me no really fussy y'all. So why they not understand that, you know? My shoes and sitting me have don't never wear it still in a box. Pretty cute shoes them for the summer. I want to them man, this me fussy, me fussy. God is the only one me who fussy about. God. Alright? God alone. Good year upon here. What's going on, Goody? Like my sis, what's going on? Yeah, and I made a cream skin, and once it dark up back, my cream is very good. The cream I sell is very good. So you're going to see the result, how all is going to be gone with the cream. You know what I mean? I just want to heal properly. You know, sore no more, but it's still itchy. So I don't want to mess with it too much now. Make it heal up, and then I start remove the darkness. And my skin pretty and good all the way. I don't want nobody to dig out my eye, I can't see. I'm going to make myself in a bigger trouble more. I'm sorry, so now you don't see it. Because you're gone now, gone, this or this or this or now. You're going to sue people and know your eye gone blind. You see it? You know? See, that's not good. So therefore, and then, my rather just still God make me eye, so God make me eye. And thank God me get rid of what happened there. And thank God I'm gone. Because the best way to be is the way God make you. The best way to be is the God way God make you. That's the best way. So sometimes you have a problem, make you and fix the best way. And the next thing you go dig it up and make it worse. I'm telling you. The best way, so God make me eye in my eye. Nobody go trouble it and turn it around and trouble the Muslim in my eye. Because so God make it, I don't want nothing to go with it. Yeah, bad mind people go to them, call me night and day. I order sitting where they don't want. And me alone then do it, you know. Then do it to Nikki too, we sell cream in Jamaica. Then do it to everybody. Me you share the girl that talk about them this and that and all kind of thing. Do the same thing. If I buy something, just buy something. Stop calling a bag argument. When I to next woman call, she called this whole bag argument. She called J phone. And she just hold back argument till Jay give me the phone for she order from me. And she stay up on the phone and have a bag of argument and, till she done order the thing from me. When she done order now, so you're going to pay. Oh, I'm going to come pick it up tomorrow. So when she will come pick it up tomorrow, she don't come no way. No way at all she not come. Later on, me hear from Jay, she say, oh, she called back the man again for tell the man she can't. So leave the fucking man alone. When I arrest the man for leave the man alone. You want something and you call, you get to the man, and you get to me, you still not come pick it up, and you still a call back. Leave the man alone. Stop harassing people for nothing at all. On the black someone, the black people are the worst. Come on. If you not use rubbing, nobody not force for rubbing, nobody not tell for bleach again. We bleach because we feel like say make we look better, can everybody ban, You understand, like a lightning kind of bring you out a little bit. You know what I mean? And I mean, so I'm not proud to be a black woman. Come in a bleach, you come white out, making white and stay white. Enough time I dark, look at my video them. I'm sell bleaching cream. I'm in a white. But my skin can be white. But sometimes I don't have time for cream, my skin, me tired and I gone on my bed. Me not up to it. So that's why I mean, so the cream no good. The cream is very good. You understand? But people bad mind, they don't want you make $1. They don't want to see you eat, they just want to bring you down. You understand? Then go out the last time, then block me YouTube, then block me for everything, and then try to bring me down. I mean, that's not nice. I'm only here to enlighten people's spirit, make them feel happy and just talk about my life and just, relate with somebody else. I'm not here doing anything wrong. I'm not here picking up man or looking man on Facebook and all them something there. I'm a nice person. Sometimes people say, I live at more and carry out, go eat and all them something. And I say, yes, yeah, no problem. That don't mean to me I go. That don't mean to me I go, come in and trust nobody. You don't know me yet, man. You take a freaking trailer to pull me from move from spot me if you're going to wear nobody, A trailer I take to pull me from move if you're going to wear nobody, I'm not going to wear nobody so because people are funny. You can't get up and go somewhere with somebody and next thing you know being set up. You understand me? I not play them things, I'm a big man. But you must stop being so bad mind and rotten. You must stop being like that and pray to God and enlighten your life so you can't be so miserable. Because without God, you're going to be miserable. Without God, you're going to be upset with people all the time. And you're just going to be like a raging bull. Because you're so sad inside. Because you can't contain your own feelings and it'll push you over. Because the devil will ride you. Because you don't believe in God. Well, me not stop believing God. Because without God, honey, me wouldn't be standing here right now. Because when I look at this world, there's nothing in this world for not killing yourself over. Nothing at all. The whole time, look at the door how boring it is. Long as adults are not. Everything change. Every year is different from the other year. Nothing is the same no more. Day soon stop coming up and all we have is night. Night for day and night. You can't. Day and night is going to be night. It's not going to be no more days. Oh no, wait and see, man. Oh no, just wait and think of foolishness me attack. There is a living God. And if there's a Satan, there is a God. You hear me? You hear me? Yes, me put the picture up like that for I put bad spell on me and you can't see. The bad spell return right back to you. That's why I put the picture up with that sitting in the blackness. I come out of me eye and sit. And put the spell right back on you put spell on me. Because I'm too rash wicked. Think I can't cast spell alone. Too rash wicked. You understand me? Me there and nobody come out and go through all this and me tell no all my business. And still I try to shut me down. I still try to make a little money. I tell lie for me cream. I tell you never buy cream from me yet. But you run come. Look at this lady in the Bronx. She called me one day and she want to buy some cream. And she can't tell you herself. When me look at the WhatsApp yesterday, the amount of people me know long before most popular. I want me just get where they talk to me long time. Still on my WhatsApp and then couldn't say I all these years. Just sit down there, group up on a chat. Yeah, man, God is good. This and that. I praise over me. I boss up and all them things and them group and all them shit there. Sit down and chat about me. You understand? Full up in my WhatsApp when you look. The amount of group. Every time me have to mute them and I black them and make up one next group. Full up my fucking phone. If you see my phone, come like a Facebook, me having on my phone for them. Let me make a line for them to be popular. They all join in and start chat me and turn me WhatsApp into a Facebook page. So when me done delete the Facebook WhatsApp now, then when me look back this morning, over 1,000 odd messages come in. Pam. Where is it name again? Messenger. Then gone pan Messenger now, because they can't get me. So then fly over Messenger now. When they look so much messages over 1 over 1,000 odd. Gone to me, because they can't get me on WhatsApp now. Yeah, me for delete WhatsApp. No WhatsApp. You understand me? Where something me bring up again? When you again go to Snapchat. And before me could I get for you Snapchat, the amount of people over there already joining me on. Me just fucking take it back off my phone and nobody use it. Me take it back off and nobody use it. Me not go bother use because the amount of fake people with a fake profile. Only 1 or 2 people on my phone me know so they real today. And most of them I join up on me and Snapchat. Me just fucking delete it and take it out of my phone. No bother with it. Take it out of my phone. Same thing with the next one. The whole 4 of them that I have some of all them and take them out of my phone. So the only thing I have with this now. You understand? And I'm in a one messenger neither. You understand me? People want something, then call them order and stuff, and then go on in business. Me no like because some of them are hypocrite. Then call their chat like they like you and this and that and but somebody where you know the background is go peep, peep, and they sit and come to the phone, yeah. When the mic too loud, when they record me. You know what I mean? All them fuckery. You understand? If you're a woman and you have body parts like that, or even a man, and you don't want nobody to see you naked, please don't have WhatsApp in your room. If you do not want nobody to see your private parts, your private business, do not have WhatsApp on your phone in your bedroom. Because what they do when they group up, they call you. And you don't even know when they call you, and you don't have to answer the phone. You're already on camera. So if you're naked in your house, when you look around and see people are watching you, and look at somebody look at you. You're butt naked, you have to grab your breast, grab your vagina. When you look, somebody look through the phone and look at you. Alright? And when you look, a whole bunch of them are call you. And a one person. And everybody have video in and put on the group and a chat. Look at her naked, look at her ass, this, that. All kind of sitting in your house. So the phone itself, taking pictures. Are you naked, taking pictures in your place without you taking no picture at all? When you go in your phone, you see the word for blank thing in your phone, for blank thing, and some picture you never take. So once you have that phone, remember, camera on your phone, your iPhone or regular phone, you lock them off or put them in a drawer and put them where? Because people are watching you naked in your room. Want your phone on, they are watching you. They are watching you straight to your phone, my girl, and they are stalking you. Because I'm telling you a real thing me I talk about, and a joke. And a joke thing me I talk about. And you'll be so surprised when you find a naked picture up on a website and you're in your room turn up. It's not a joke. Even though I have WhatsApp on it and I put WhatsApp on the phone, it never make a difference because I have PIN code. Trust me. I'm still group up and then do what then do, so I just get it off and just get it over with. So right now I'm going to look food and sitting for go eat. I can go curry up one chicken and make some wild rice with that. The belly I come down flat now. Lord, look. I'm not going to gurgle or nothing. Yeah, so and then I come and cook my food and then I go work out. So fat as I feel lose. Yeah. But with hypocrite people, man, and too wicked and bad mind, man. Too wicked and bad mind for sure. It can't be like that. Cannot be like that at all, man. Cannot be like that at all. So I'm going to drop on my iPad and drop my iPad. Can you see it? Right here. See it? See him there. Oh my God, the doctor. The day after my eye did something to my iPad, it just drop on the doctor office and broke. But it's still alright, still can't use it. I still under my music, I'm sitting there. I lock it off, come up, I go use them on the battery done. Do some music. Yeah, I don't have time for that kind of stuff, man. I'm a good person, but I'm not going to see my people stop me like they want to drive me mad like them feel. Say, well, you know, I could continue with her and driving. And it's dirty stinking pussy bitch I can talk about. Mad man. Mad man, your mama pussy. I don't mad man there. If I'm mad in a good way. Because I can make people happy. Man are too dirty and bad mind and drunkish, man. It's like you don't forget no peace by you. You know, them come and harass you with all kind of foolishness. Like them things your business. Eh? Somebody when I look on them to my God, I said to myself, say, no, sir. No. Telling you. Let me put this in one bag because I'll pull out this thing, you know. When I get the bill, I'm going to pay the bill. The bill is going to be high. The last bill I get the shot was $5,000 for the bill. So I didn't think it's cheap. And I go sooner, but that's enough. Teach you a fucking lesson. So you're going to pay the bill, you pay the bill. I'm not going to want that. Because I'm an honest person and when I greedy for money, I don't know people shit. I'm not like that. I want to film business, I film business. Don't want the chicken for me. I'm hungry, I know when I want. Hungry no ass. I have to something on the crackers. I nominate something I buy with the crackers. I tell them about it. I know they did it, but I want something more than that, man. I can't eat that to make it like a little taste, like a little dessert. I want something strong. From with the man up and down my doctor, I'll eat nothing. Body get kind of small. I don't want to be too big, but if it's strong, I don't want to flick it, flanky. If you eat and you ain't work out your body. See it stay now? And the pills, them when I take me kind of yes look so. The antibiotic them. I make kind of yes go in and it kind of dark. It will clear up good, I'm not worry about it. I rub in myself, I can't get rid of that. Trust me. I'm about to see my black like tar, you know. Remember, some natural skin color is very dark skin. And I like some light skin, very dark skin. So, it will come off. Oh, it's nice and warm today. I know they're fixing a building over here. Making a building, so for walk through. So, I know. I'm a business goodie. Boy. I forgot bleach white I know too. White and pan this man, I want more white, but I don't cook first. All them shit there. Try to get me some food, make sure my belly is full. Too wicked man. You see me I sell it too like a cream and I sit them and I tell lie. I just from the Bronx, she come there, she come and say, Olivet, I see a bleaching cream and I want to try it. She said, no. I'm allergic to bleaching cream all my life. She said, every bleaching cream I use, it break out my skin. But I don't know if I should try yours and see how it be, but, you know, because I'm allergic to it. I said, well, if you're allergic to it, I don't think it's a good idea. She said, Mom, I just want to try it. Let me just buy it and try it. All right, she buy the cream. She went home, and then she come back. A couple later on, she said, I have some little bump on my face, and she sent me the picture and see it. You know, so I have some little bump on my face. I'm allergic to the cream. So I said, don't use it anymore. She said, well, if you could give me another one, maybe another one, different one, me tell her no. Come say, Jason, no, because if you're allergic to cream, and you know that in your body you're allergic to it, I don't want to give you another one. What I can do for your money is give you a wig. Because you know I sell wigs and I got some wigs there. I can give you something like that. So you call me, you know, when you want to come and pick it up. She never did. But like I said, she called and she said, Olivet, that's really nice. That you stay in touch with me, get back with me. Because I'm not saying it's your fault because I know I can use cream. You know what I mean? So sometimes people, it's not going to go out there and tell people the facts about anything. They're going to go out there and lie. And trying to bring my business down, especially if them bad mind, some of them. As soon as they see me start to make cream and they're on my page and they're my friend, they start to make cream and sell too. Some of them call me and tell me, Goody, I used to buy cream from you, but I mix up my own thing now. I do like you and I melt them down and I make this sitting to and I sell. So when you call me and tell me, say, you used to buy it from me, you do like me to and I sell. I don't my business that. You know what I mean? So I just, some people stay. Some people stay, man. No, nothing that. Everybody have to make a hustle, but I mean, why you call me and tell me that for? Yeah. But I love you guys. I love you all. God bless you. The sun is hot today. I don't like walking in the sun to get dark skin too much on my hands, but because I ain't got no sunscreen on. The sunscreen is not on my face, but I'm going to walk down there because I need the food. Yeah. Them envy me for nothing at all because I don't have nothing. So why are you envying me? I don't have anything. All I have is a couple number of people that like me all over the world. That's all. I don't why people like me because I'm being myself. And people want to be themselves. So when I envy for, I don't have nothing nobody envy me for. Good, I have not a thing. I walk, and then drive, because chicken place. But was there a couple of days ago when they were taking out the chickens? And they were taking so long. I want to get chicken. But they were delivering the chickens in the thing. Taking so long, I'm going to get you, let's go and buy fish. I'm going to really feel for the chicken from the other day, you know that. So I'm going to walk back down and get the fresh chicken. Come and I'll get it from the supermarket. You know, some of them both. When I hear the woman come on to the one that's living at the house, but speak English, what she's saying. You know what I mean? Harassing me. The woman harassed me from in the house. Until she left, she still harassed me. Come on, man. Like I'm going to make your life bad. I'm going to make your life bad. Yeah, but what the thing about them? Carefree, champion. Yeah, because but what I'm saying, right, champion? What I'm saying, when I'm envy because of happiness, right? I go through a lot of stress. I go through a lot of beating in life. What I mean, I went through a lot. From 9 years old, I've been raped. You understand? From I was 9 years old, I've been raped. Right? And that's by a family member. Big man and bigger than me. Right? I'm left from this and then 13 years old, more rape and strangle. Right? And I just saw it go in my life. I get pregnant at 15 years old. I was looking comfort, never boyfriend. My son born when I was 16 years old. What that tells you, I never had a childhood. But I've never been to school. I've been to stop go to school when I was 13. And a couple of years I've been to school, between 13, it's not straight 13 years. It's like 2 years, so one day or so. And so. But me have to be strong. I know I can't, come into America and have no education like that, and I never went back to school because my mom took me to the school in the morning, and I was with my mom and my dad. It was like, your dad making too much money for you to go to this school. They never take me to another school. They did not. They sent me to job. I was working at Fulton Street for $4.25 an hour. $4.25 was a minimum wage at that time. And I was working there, sending money back home to make sure my son go to school, make sure my son get taken care of, so my son get good education, all right? So my son wouldn't be like how I be or whatever, or life, make life easier for him. Right now my son have a license, he's electric license. He went to Job Corps for a couple of years when he came here. So my son always could get work, He's doing good, he have his car, he have every little thing, him good. I'm glad for that. I don't have to have a car as long as my son now have to walk. You understand? Him uncle buy my car and come make. He's a good kid. Humble kid. Nice kid. He never give me no trouble from him born. And that's why when I go strip club and all about, I make sure say I have money for you in Jamaica. Everyone, I pay your money through me ass to people. Because when you have your children in Jamaica and you love them, every little money you get, you send for them, for the person. I look over them. I help them. And some of them are dirty, big pussy girl them. Well, will take your money and take it to buy dick to put in them all and make you put hungry. You put your clothes dirty. That's the hurtfulest thing that Jamaicans go through when they come here. Is to friggin' send your money back to someone that fucking taking your money and buying dick with blood clots. And you're putting hungry and dirty around all about the place like nobody. That time you work harder foreign and I send on your money. It's an evil thing. It's an evil thing. Trust me. It's very evil. And many of them do it. Many of them glad to have your children because them say, boy, this is my money. So they don't really care about the pitney or you like that. You say, boy, what, mama, you all right? Mama, you're my friend. Mama, I want shoes, I buy for you. Mama, I want a frock for you, mama. And, you try to show the person love because, you send money to them, make sure you love a child. When they realize to fuck, they don't give a fuck about you. Then they dance all every night in a new frock, new boot, with the money and the pitney hungry. When they look on the pitney teeth, them dirty. Clothes now, wash, pitney just look like a homeless. You know what I mean? And treat the pitney like shit. When they cook no one, then they scrape like a food, give them. For them pitney and eat cake and big soda. That happened to me. It happened to me. For them pitney and drink, eat cake. Big piece of cake when mama buy car come. You understand? Cake and soda and snack. And my son of his slung. I look on the pitney and I'm the snack. And I feel money. I'm telling you, man, I talk about these things sometimes I get so angry. But it's just the fact that when son, I can't see now, I'm shutting my glasses on, but I'm putting on big old glasses right now. When my eye catch ear, make it come back to. So, that's a hurtful thing. The hurtful thing is when you're sending your money to people in Jamaica and things your child been taken care of and it's not been taken care of. Not. When you find somebody really take care of your child, you have to thank God and show them respect. Because most of them are fucking criminals. They take your money and buy big food and then cook and then go party in the yard boat. Then they feed them pitney and they feed your pitney them Lego boat in the yard. You understand? When you look pitney got big, dirty, and not get no care. And your money just go out, you work with them. Mama, how you do? Let me talk to the baby, sometimes they don't even want you to talk to your own fucking child. Because they don't want you to ask the child anything. They don't want you to ask the child. You get the shoes, you get the thing you eat, where you eat yesterday. Or where you get, what's something they give you. They don't even want you to ask it. Where you ask, where you give you for. Where you ask the pitney, where you get for. Where you take me a teeth. You can't ask the pitney the blood clot thing. You have your child in Jamaica, you must cancel and talk with your child on the phone. Where you get, you're all right, your belly full, and then sitting there. You have to ask your pitney with the ras, not for your money. Fuck, someone will get upset about you now, right? For you ask the pitney that, when you ask the pitney like we have starved the pitney, you have a right to ask. You're sending your money, you can talk to your child and ask your child how you feel and what the child get, what the child eat. It's your child. It's your money. Not because your person has stayed, you're not right. And do it all the fucking time. And do it all the time, goody. That's the thing with them. That's the truth. You know what I mean? Them take it and buy clothes and mini frock when they look all boy whenever they want them. Man don't want them. Man don't want them, no. Because they see money come every minute. Them a cook big pot, man come and yam. You understand me? When they look, then dress up and fucking man come and bike back, pick them up, then trash off in a clothes, jump and bike back and go on a party. You understand me? And you're pitting the hungry. hungry for what I do. I look mango. And I look young guava in a bush for fucking yam. And that happened to my son. Drop off a guava tree and broke up in your hand, slip right out. Name doctor, they don't carry him. Up till this day, I still have problem with the hand. Name doctor, they don't carry him. I think I joke to blow. A girl, I say, I want to get my son have a earner. And I say, I want to get the earner cut. And I say, how much $1,000 go to Jamaica. And the girl tell me, she set up an appointment for me to come back up. They cut it from the doctor for me. And me send the money. And everything. And for all I know, up till this day, my girl, up till this day, nothing no go so. All the money gone on the jewelry. If I send the money to my brother, I make my brother get my son and take him and get it done. And my own brother, they do it for me. Take my son from town and carry him back up to the country and make my brother do it for me. You understand? God bless him soul. Name Dos, Gondos. God bless him soul. God bless him soul. You know what I mean? Name Gondos. Gondos is one of my great brother, you know. I like him, Paul, Gondos. They call him Gondos for Jamaica, but his name Paul. He is one of my great brothers that I love. A true brother. Now with no nastiness, a true brother, you know what I mean? Gondos is alright. I want to run him out sometime, but him alright. You know, true brother. You know what I mean? And wicked man at Jamaica when they see the money. You know what I mean? And so I don't understand when my sister want to beat me down and I love them so much. Oh, she left her baby from the baby young. She left her son here from the boy about 2-year-old and she don't look back all now. He might go about 18 years old. And a stranger place in catch up. She making left from the grandmother house because my mother have something, I understand that. But she should still making stay today. You understand me? Taking a stranger, I got 17, I got 18 now. And you sit down up here so much picnic. And you don't go back and get him. I get my picnic long time. I get him. I never know how I go get him and write in one Bible. And I say, Father God, I'm asking you. Right now, I don't have nothing. I got my green card and my son going about 20. Father, soon. I mean, I have nothing to get him here. Jesus, help me because I murder him, Father. I don't know how we're going to do this, Father God, but I believe in you. And believe me, you know, when I find that letter, and remember that letter, is when a couple of years ago I was moving the Bible. I find it, you know, my son there, then not done there how much years already. I never remember that I write that in my Bible. God make the way. God make the way. The uncle called me and said, you have green card, well, go and go about your citizen. I'm going to go study and do it and get him here. And get my son here. Phew, stink, man. Hi, children, yes, Mama. What am I doing to you? I love you so. What am I doing to you today? You're gonna die, you're gonna die today. Sorry. How are you, my little bunny, honey? The bunny not inside? The whole person of darkness, but how are it? You're the guy there. Isn't that there? I'm not open today? What the other guy with chicken? Yes, I need chicken. Huh? You do the chicken?
Yeah, what do you need?
You kill the chicken?
No, what do you need?
Give me $2 $10 chicken.
Two?
Yeah, $2 $10 chicken, thank you. Too young for them to... Huh? Yeah. No, white chicken. But why they send you? You don't know what I want, man. Why they sending you? Put that back in there, sir. The white one. I'm not eat the brown one. Papa, I don't eat the brown one, son. It's so little. Why do you have you doing this?
Because I'm old enough.
Because you're old enough? You see, I'm old enough. This is old this place. Smart boy. How old are you?
12.
You're 12. Okay, you're 12. God bless you. Two of them. Yeah, two, $20. I need two of them. Two $20 one. Don't make them too big because I want them young. Two $10 one. Two 10. All right, so together that's 20. No problem. It's smart.
$21.
Okay. Smart boy. Huh? I like to see little kids smart like this, man. He's smart. Here.
You want to pull your own chicken?
Hmm?
You want to pull your own chicken?
No, I don't want to kill my own chicken. No, I don't want to kill it.
Sorry.
Smelly.
How you doing, baby? I love you too. God bless you. Yeah. He's smart, you know. He's smart, man. You saw the video. I'm on the video now. They're hearing you. How you doing? You want to say hi? No, not today. You shy? You want to look? You want to put his face right? He's all right. He's smart. Look, say hi. He's smart. See? Yeah. Hi. So just clean and cut up. Give me one cut up small because I'm gonna curry it, and the other one regular giant. Fine? I should have just cut up both. Let's cut up both small. Cut up both small because I can stew them and do everything. I don't want to be bothered with it. Thank you. Yeah, he's a nice kid. Like, nice kid. No, I don't have $1. That's why I give you $40. You need $1. I don't have no change, so I bring you $40.
Huh?
20. You need $1 more. $21.
Yeah. Just take this.
Okay, thank you so much.
Give me 40.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Olivet Smelly. All right, big up yourself, man. You said I see your videos. You love the videos, Papa? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, me soon come back, right? I'm going to stand outside so I can talk to you guys. Everybody like the video, them. Say that I'm not stop doing the video, them goodie. I'm not going to bother them people and soap and dung and sitting. You know, let's go on. Pay the bill and let's go on. But I just want to get blessing from God and I just don't want. You know, shit nobody business, dung and all them shit there. I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. God is great and everybody is everybody. You know, shit happen, you know. But I really don't want to do that. So just understand that. I could go in and get the license and everything if you're going to card and whole money and get this whole money. But I don't want to do that. Just pay the bill and just let me go my way and just try to get the shit back out and just move on with God's word and just continue to do what I'm doing. I don't want to build enemy and all kind of stupidness over one or something. You know what I mean? I'm alive. I'm alive. That's the most important thing. I know. You look like me put the thing on my eye for me the highlight when I do the makeup or something. What you call it? When I highlight under the eye when I do the makeup. Yeah, and Facebook. Olivet Smelly. Yeah, Olivet, Olivet. Last name Smellie. Smelly. That's my real name. I know, don't laugh at me. They used to laugh at me in school all the time. You know, when I went to emergency room and, you know, the guy was signing up, you know, and it's an Olivet Smelly, and I get up there and he started to smile. And he said, how was it? No, and he started to smile. And he said, no, seriously. He said to me, man, they don't bother you in school? Like when you used to go to school, that's your real name. I said, man, I had a rough time when I was going to school. Because every time I say Olivet Smelly, and the kids them go, present, miss. You know, so they was laughing about it in the emergency room. It's funny. You know, little thing just cheer you up. Yeah, what I'm going to do. Could you not talk about star? Because I'm not rich and I'm not nothing. I'm just being a person, I ask. Why you going to be a star? Because you don't give a fuck what people think and whatever, you just be yourself, foot them white. You just see how me look. You want to see how me look, foot them white, man. Foot them white. Put on the shoes and my foot on lotion. Look, then back on the heel, that's all white. If you put on the shoes back on the heel, that's all white. No lotion. Me here, Olivet. Olivet. Shit. Make yourself happy out of nothing, yo. Make yourself happy and be joyful and eat it because you want to laugh. You know, if you laugh, if you're poking out burn, you can't sleep good. Shit. Many times I burn, I couldn't sleep good, so I'm left it up. Thank you, Lord. Oh, shit. I know I don't exercise. I'm tired of saying I can sit in the middle. Tired no ass. feel like I wear up like a country and me I run from a wheel on St. Margaret's Bay. I feel like I go country. Need exercise, man, for the last couple of days. And I was doing good enough the exercise and the bleaching. Good. Until this fucking thing come tear me down. Oh, yes.
Were you here yesterday filming live chickens?
Hmm?
Were you here yesterday filming live chickens?
Yes. When it was coming in, but I didn't, day before yesterday. When the chicken was coming in, but I didn't get to buy no chicken because it take too long for them to think, so I come back today. Yeah, you saw it, right? Yes. The Mexican guy don't come.
Huh?
The Mexican guy, that's my good friend. Okay. Can you come tomorrow? Tuesday. Okay, thank you. All right, Papa. Smart boy. God bless you, okay, son? Okay. Yeah. Huh? No, I'm on Facebook Live. Later on today, I go on YouTube. I make something, okay? All right? So kids can be happy. I make something for the kids, all right? Okay, I will. Okay, Papa. So I'm going to do later on today, something on YouTube. I'm going to do with a little boy who want to watch me. Later on today, I do something for the kids. I do something for the kids. I'm going to start doing kids play too, because a lot of kids watch me too, not just grown people. I don't like to be nasty all the time. I sit and pull off my head. And that's all my outfit I have for my head. But my expensive outfit is like a pom-pom shorts and top and bottom. And this is the gown piece that show over it. I eat this for my head. Nicole, you bust out in the dance in the middle of your broadcast and your shopping. You are you serious? So you mean so the white woman come back here again for harass me? So what if me want to stop in the middle of a show and dance? That's what I do. That's what I do, bitch. What do you mean you bust shopping and you are shopping? Oh, it's good. Okay, good. Yeah, I love it too. Tell you what's crazy to me out. I thought it was a white bitch because I'm tired for black car pan here. I'm tired for black car. She did say she commanded so much profile. Sometimes she had a 15 profile. So sometimes when I see somebody here curse me, it's not one of the good of them. And then she was a black person picture most of the time. And then she's not going to talk bad about black people. You know what I mean? She's very racist. When she come to call police, she's black, and she tell the man about black people that shouldn't live in the house. So when I see a lot of people commenting here and saying this, so Olive Stone is a black person picture, it's not really a black person sometimes. Just want you know that. So someone will jump on it, start to agree and I look friendly and no one to talk to. Not real sicko, man. But all right, baby, all right. Nose run, so. Sometimes my nose run. Body want food, make my nose run. You never hear that before? Yeah, he's a handsome little kid. He's a handsome little kid, trust me. When kids are so young and smart, I like it. See, these nowadays kids, you're so smart, they must be people now. And that's why you have to be careful what you do around your kids too, you know? You know what I mean? Because they knows everything. You don't, oh, that was quick, baby.
Yeah, baby.
That was quick. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you, son. God bless you. All right?
That's all he gets smelling, you know, the sexiest woman out of Jamaica.
He's a sexy woman from Jamaica. Lord, you kill me now. I love you too, okay? God bless you, baby. All right. Got the chicken. And I'm going to walk up. I got some wild rice. I got curry. I got seasoning. So it's the chicken. Oh, I need some grapeseed oil. Because on the grapeseed oil I cook with, you know that. I don't have the supermarket up there. Got the grapeseed oil. Or we're going to have to go to the supermarket down the street from my house. Maybe I'll just walk through this block and go over to make sure I get the grapeseed oil, because that's what I cook with. I don't cook with the regular vegetable oils anymore. Because when I used to belch, what a old car, that car not good again, man. That shit is over with, man. Yeah. That thing is done, bro. Yeah. Come on, the fucking people are wicked. I love Jamaica, I love my Jamaicans. They have some nice Jamaican people. But some of the one them nowadays when them born, when them born and when them come here. So them are Jamaican. I don't know where they come from, because I couldn't Jamaica they come from. They have a bad way about them. They have a bad way about them. I really not keep it real. I can't understand how some people get so phony. Once they put on a little piece of Indian here on their head, with the part to the side, and a black no more, you know. Once you put little rubbings on the Indian part to the side, you can't talk to them. You cannot talk to them. You cannot talk to them, ma'am. No, ma'am, you can't talk to them sitting here. Me. Once you put on a little Indian here with the part, you cannot talk to them. And the little rubbings. And then get little light. You can't talk to them, better than everybody in the world. When I cuss nobody about them black, or black is beauty. And I'm a black woman and I love to be black. Just put a little lighten up sometime, a little touch up on same thing hairstyle. Style the body, Natina. Yeah, man. Look. Chicken them ready, freshly. We wash it after, you know, bloody. You put all the head in there too. So put the head in there. I don't want the chicken head. My pastor money used to give me pay a chicken head to my young girl. I pluck it for all for him. I pay a chicken head, me get. And the chicken head that is remind me of that, you know. I don't want the chicken head in there, because I remind me of the pastor man there every time. I see him burn up in our house and dead, because I was ungrateful. Fire burn him up. Rascal, boy. I see the sitting there so a while ago. He lock, but he frightened me. Good, he frightened me. He lock, but he frightened me. This. Now I come across this, right? And I never see the lock on it, but it looks so dent. I'm going to step right over it, because I don't want to step on it. So I'm going to go right over. You don't know why I did this, but I'm going to tell you why. When I was working at Royal Department Store on Fulton Street, and I just came here from Jamaica, I used to go to like a pizza place right next door to the when I work at Royal Department Store. So when I go to that pizza place, come go and talk about like a slice of pizza and like a sit down, come from Jamaica. The man in the basement push up the iron, something like that, and I fall right down in it. And child, I didn't know that I could make a big piece of money and sue them at the time. The wall of my foot, they go to the bone. You have to go to the hospital, to the bone. It still have the mark there, to the bone. Scoop it out, lift a little all the way to the bone. Scoop out the flesh, and me have to wear arm stick and all them thing there. The man gave me something like $200. I'm glad I take $200 now and sign the paper, get the man. When the man run out and see the accident, the man make case and take out $200 and give me one paper for sign. Me sign the paper now because I come from Jamaica. I didn't know that what he was trying to do is buy me out for $200 when I could have get $200,000. And it was too late. I done sign out myself. Walk on with the arm stick for a long time for my foot get better. And from that, when I see them something there, when I walk on them, I'm afraid of them. So, I have my experience when I see me do certain things. You know, it's from experience when I go through and so on. I love you guys. But not come bring me down, man. I'm come try bring me down. So one of these man today want to bring it when they can't get the crutches, they want to bring it down. You know, they eat it for no reason. You know, I don't understand some people. You know what I mean? It just hurt me every day. I look and see how some people be. I say, yo, life, the way things, life show me some things, yo. The amount of things I learn from life. I tell you now, it's too much in my brain contain. People might say me crazy. The amount of things I know, I don't know. If I didn't know that, somehow I know. I probably would have killed myself. But what I know. And everything you know you have to talk, because it can cost your life. But like I said to you, I know a lot. And I'm very spiritual also. So when people see a certain way, I go on and stand walking the blind, I walk with their eye closed. When I walk with their eye closed and call them one call because you're smart, you know what time it is. You understand me? Everything said everything good for eat, good for talk. And everything good for eat, good for talk. Just remember that. You keep your mouth, you keep your fucking life. Remember that. You keep your mouth, you keep your fucking life. And once you know that, who is that? Man, I got a car, watch me and I beep him. Me I sell catches, man, I want to you. I seen some me walk a couple days ago, my guy chicken place there now. And I end up I walk down the street because I go buy fish. I see one old man there right on the corner. And him want red van in park up there. And he see me a pass my bro, miss. Old man. You know, the old man I used to take care of him and daddy George, I meet him was 70 years old. And the owner house. And I start take care of him, give me an apartment in there, I go and sign up Him put me as a beneficial for the money in the bank when he have and all that if he should have dead or something wrong. Come and take good care of him. And I find him half dead and I give him CPR and bring him back. He was completely dead. And I pump back here in my belly. I didn't fall asleep, fall out on my face. Because I was a good man. Trying to save the man. Anyway, going after a while, I lived there for a while before they destroy me. The people must say I'm a power attorney and this and that and whatever. Anyway, long story short, I tell him I have experience. So, I see the old man in vehicle now and him. So I say, hey, it's a nice lady. I like you, you know. I like your outfit. I'm one different jumper. I don't know I like jumper. I'm not for them. You know? He was like, you know, you're a nice lady. I like you. Where you going? Can we take your ride? I said, sir, I don't take ride from strangers, sir. I don't get in strangers' vehicles, sir. I don't take ride from strangers. He said, why are you talking like that? You know, I'm an old man and just a nice person, and, you know, my wife died. Not too long with you, my life died, you know, so I'm single now. And I have my own house and stuff. You know, I can afford to give you something if you ask me. I said, sir, I'm not asking for anything. I don't know you. And I'm not getting your vehicle because I don't know you. You know, he said, come on, what are you being like that for? You know, you're a nice-looking girl. Why are you being like that? What I'm going to do to you? I'm right here, close to Franklin. You're going to National. Just let me drop you there. There's nothing wrong with that, miss. You know, you don't. Everything you say, no, I kill up yourself. No. Why you kill up yourself? No. Everything I said, you said no. Everything I said, you said no. Why you be like that? Just let me give you a ride. I want to ride when I grow on. Come see an old man. I can't let my leg run him and squeeze the life out. I ain't try nothing. Because my leg them big. He drive me, go right up to National and say, okay then, you know, now the vehicle, and take time I try to take him and to touch my leg through the pants and sitting. And my talk to him. So I said, sir, if your wife just died, why are you looking for somebody else? If your wife just died, sir, why are you looking? You never love your wife then. Yeah, but you know, I do everything I can. And I treat her the best way she can. So if she dead, there's nothing I can do. I got to just move on, you know. I just got to move on. Then I'm talk about it. He said, so, you want me to, I can wait for you and take you back to where you're going because I have nothing to do. And I'm just driving around. Like I said, I have nothing to do. I said, sir, I don't want you to wait for me. I drive me around because most of y'all people are probably looking for somebody to sacrifice, sir. To sacrifice, okay? I'm not here for someone to try to sacrifice me. That's why I don't like to go in people's stranger's car and sit in it. Because you can't go in a stranger car and you end up dead. You understand me? Then you start sweating, lock up and you start feel bad. And then you're sitting for wipe your face because you sweat. And when you wipe your face with your pass out and you're gone. See? That almost happened to me in a taxi. They almost kidnapped me in a taxi a couple of years ago. Right on Church Avenue. You understand? So I know better. People don't know how this shit set up. Now people are dropping a dollar car and dollar taxi. And I'm about to see you again after that. You understand me? Like the last time when I was trying to get in one. And the friggin' guys, them betray them speak the same language. Have me opinion and want to let me out. If you get fucking mad right out for the car pull off through the window. Say, let me out. So my body through that shit. Yeah, you mean? That was really a close call. I can't pay attention to the surrounding. It's very terrible. Anyway, in talk. Say, man, I gotta wait for you, man, you know, to take you back. In phone ring. Hello? Yes, I'm with a nice lady here. I just met. She's really nice, you know, and thing. And I was hoping I could take her to my house. I'm gonna take her to my house, you know, and so on, and attack. Oh, that was my daughter. That was my daughter. Guys wanted you to speak. I said to myself, take you to Ufa house. I said, take who to Ufa house? Not me taking you to your house. I don't go to people's house. And now, what me I got your house go do? Why would I be going to your house to do, sir? And shit, I guess you never like my son. I come out for go buy the fish. I'm going to be right here. I plan down out there with people. I show them if you buy the grape seed aisle. And other people ask me this and I show them, you know. Help who me can't help. Until he must do that till he drive off. You know, because after I did it for that vehicle, you look like someone that been through a lot. That's why I say you look like somebody that been through a lot. I never answer him because I been through a lot. I know a lot. You see what I mean? Because right away, if you're going to talk to me and your old man like that, me got to be a poor attorney. I got to be on your will. Okay? I am not going to go to no old man house to spread my leg and a man can use me all as him is soon dead. And when he dead, left everything in the after and give daughter. Everything in daughter go inherit. And you go lay down with old man and you know nothing forget. When you go lay down with old man, make sure you're not poor attorney. Make sure you're not the will. Now go no old man house, call them and suck out the liquor red out your crotches and when you done it on white. Then dead gone because they old already. When you hear me talk about power attorney and liar, he never like that. He never like that. So he knows say this girl is not stupid. You know, she wants some shit. She need power attorney, she want liar, she want get shit. Make she go on, you know. Nobody want she come on my house or whatever. I'm have to drive off and go on. Because he can't deal with me. Because me go your house today or tomorrow, lie the third day. I am a power attorney over your asset them. So if you dead between my legs, me forget something. Me not gonna come waste my time come at your house. You're all fresh, you have a rub all about the place. Done all already, you're fresh. You understand? You still look something for rub bunny. Before you see God, your wife dead, I know you're soon dead too. You still look someone for rub your crutches. Pan young girl and you're old man. Old man, him teeth them butter now, him teeth them. Him teeth them kind of round. Like when you cut off wood stick. So I don't know what kind of person that. I must see nobody teeth them round. At the bottom, I say, some kind of alien or some kind of beast, this fucker. And I glasses, I try fool me. You understand me? Want change to a fucking werewolf. Teeth them round like stick when you chop off stick. When it's about bottom teeth round. Oh, your bottom teeth going round. Anything go behind it and grind between them teeth from the top and bottom round. My God. The teeth not thin like for winner, it's round. The bottom on them round. Like tree stump, like a tree stick. Anything go there till you catch between them and slap it down and grind it. Done. Because them round. It's wideness between the two of them like clamp. And me I say to myself, say, man, I know, there's people inside here.
How are you?
Huh? Yeah, how you doing, Goody? Huh?
Let me tell her my sister's on the phone and she loves it so much. She said, yeah, like if you big girl. She named Margie.
Me don't know her. Me don't want to pick up somebody me don't know, Goody. When your sister love me and she me don't want to pick up. Because you know people wicked out there. So me don't know who the person is. Your real sister? Yes. Me pass by and check you. Me pass by and check you. Soon come. So people run out if they big them up and people love me, but me don't want to pick up somebody name pan here. Me don't know who the person is. Because sometimes people are cuss me and me go big up their name and they cuss me. You know what I mean? So people run out for me all while I walk on the road. I don't want to feel no way, but the grapeseed aisle. Good, me I forgot hang up because the music in here loud. You hear me for hang up and come back. I love you guys. You hear because the music too loud. You hear me, I want to cut off, yeah.